Hello everyone, how are you doing? Time for another video on LiveFromALounge TV. Today we talk about the American Express Membership Rewards credit card, one of their entry-level products that they offer in the Indian market. I hope you've subscribed to LiveFromALounge TV because we are bringing you a lot more interesting comments and videos in the coming times. Let's get on with it. American Express issues two kind of card products in India. They issue something called a charge card and they issue what we know as a credit card. A charge card is a product where American Express or any other bank which issues it does not give you the ability to roll over. Let's say you spend 1,000 rupees, you have to pay the 1,000 rupees back to the bank when the bill is generated and you have your 30-40 days period to kind of pay the bills. On the other hand, on a credit card, you can pay just 5 or 10% of the outstanding amount, and you can then carry forward the rest and pay it up with the interest. It's not an advisable practice to kind of carry forward your bills, but in case there's an emergency, maybe sometimes you want to have to do it. So American Express Membership Rewards credit card is one of the entry-level credit cards that they offer in the Indian market. Of course, on the other hand, they have the Plat Charge card, which is something that I use. It's very expensive and it's something that you get for a very high fee and a high eligibility. So why is this card still a favorite of mine? Well, this is a card that's such a big favorite of mine that I have two of these, one for me and then my wife has it too, and I keep talking to all LiveFromALounge readers to get this card because it's such a beautiful card construct. On signing up for this card, you get 4,000 membership reward points just for doing a minimum spend in the first 3 months of signing up for this card. When you go through our link, which you will see in the description and in the video itself, you will be getting these points for the spend of 5,000 rupees within the first 90 days. 1st April 2021 onwards, this will become 15,000 rupees minimum spend to get the 4,000 points. Don't worry, you have to not go out of your way and spend separately to get these points. I believe these are over 3-month period. You will anyways be spending that kind of money on this credit card. Why, if you will ask? Amex has a beautiful feature on this card, which is the reason it stays in my wallet. You just need to spend 4 times a month, a minimum of 1,500 rupees on this card, and you get a bonus of 1,000 membership reward points. When you're spending 1,500 rupees, you're already earning 75 membership reward points. On top of that, so when you've done 4 1,500 rupee transactions a month, you basically earned yourself 300 MR as they're called, but you're also getting a bonus, a top-up of 1,000 MRs after you've completed 4 transactions in a calendar month. So 1st to the 30th or 31st of the month, you can rack up 300 into 12 and additional 12,000 membership reward points in no time. These transactions don't have to be rocket science. You just load up your wallet, your Amazon Pays, your Paytms, and you will still get these membership reward points. So what they're doing as of 1st April 2021 onwards is also when you're going to be spending at least 20,000 rupees on this card product in a month, you will get another 1,000 membership reward points bonus. So this is not a feature that was there as I'm recording this video, but this is a feature that will come in place as of 1st April 2021. Now, you have so many uses for MRCC. MRs, I mentioned to you before that I continue to collect them all the time. Why do you want to do that? First and foremost, if you are one of those people who believes cash is king, each membership reward point can be used for 0.25 rupees to be setting off against your statement. The catch here is you have to have a minimum of 1,000 membership rewards points in your account to redeem this. So then you will get 250 rupees ka statement credit as a cashback. I mean, American Express calls it statement credit, other people call it a cashback. So that's what you get on your credit card itself. Then there is something called the 18 karat and the 24 karat collection that American Express offers as redemption options on this credit card. It's basically gold terminology: 18K gold, 18K collection, 24K gold, 24K collection. In the 18K collection, what do you get? You get Taj vouchers worth 9,000 rupees when you're spending 18,000 membership reward points. Again, you're basically getting 50 paisa value out of this. You can also get a statement credit worth 6,000 rupees. So basically a 33 paisa value, and you can get an Amazon voucher worth 7,000 rupees. These are, mind you, these are current values of the 18K collection. In the past, we've seen these change, and if this is changing, the best place to check out is the American Express website to see what are the new offers. Let's come to the 24K collection, the 24 karat collection. The 24,000 membership reward points redemption gets you a 14,000 rupee Taj voucher. What is a 14,000 rupee Taj voucher good for? Well, in today's time, in COVID times, it's good for, let's say, even 2 nights at some Taj hotels, which are maybe not in Mumbai or Delhi or Bangalore, but it's also good for 1 night at most of these premium, upper class, top of the line hotels of the Taj Hotels group. Otherwise, you can treat your family, your spouse to some sort of jewelry. You can get 10,000 rupees of a Tanishq voucher here as well. And statement credit worth 9,000 rupees. Obviously, cash is king for you, but obviously American Express wants you to use these points in a more gratifying manner. Hence, the cash value is a little lower than some of the other ways you can get these points. The beauty of American Express MRCC is that Amex gives you tons of opportunities to earn bonus points on this credit card. For instance, this is March 2021 when I'm recording this video. At this point of time, there are many offers ongoing. There is an offer on extra membership reward points that you can earn for paying your utility bills with an American Express card. Now, mind you, American Express usually does not give you membership reward points on transactions which involve fuel or utility bill payments. But in this case, if they give you a special offer, you're also able to earn points. At this point of time, there is also an offer. This is something that keeps coming up again and again. Amex is doing a special offer right now for insurance payments as well. Mind you, these are all offers that are time limited, but these offers keep coming back once a year or sometimes even twice a year. There are other offers that get you school fees and education spends. You get bonus points on all that as well. So the point I'm trying to make here is that you can get beautiful, large number of MRCC membership rewards points just by spending money at some of these targeted categories that Amex wants you to spend. Some of the other features that you start getting access to once you sign up for at least this Amex MR credit card is that you get access to Amex offers. But Amex offers globally one of the best collection of offers. In India, they've done stuff like spend 20,000, get 4,000 back, spend 20,000, get 5,000 back. So the kind of cashbacks, the kind of products that Amex offers in terms of cashbacks, there are some great value deals out there once you start looking at Amex offers. One more thing, you get an opportunity to earn a lot more points just by going through a feature that Amex launched only in 2020 called the rewards multiplier. You have brands all the way from Amazon, Flipkart, and maybe another 50 other brands like at this point of time there's Marriott. It may not be there when you're seeing this video. You will get double the membership rewards points on all of this spend that you're going to do. Not just that, many a times, for instance on 26th January, on 14th February, Amex is pushing this feature hard right now. So you will many a times not just get 2x points, you'll get a flat 15 points per 100 rupees spent, which mind you is much more than the 2x points that you would have ordinarily earned on this point. There is very interesting ways of spending these points as well, apart from the statement credit that we already talked about, and apart from the gold and the gold collection of Amex, which is the 18K and the 24K redemption options. This is where Amex scores in the market over many other such entry-level cards, such as maybe Regalia and many others. American Express has what we call transfer partners for these credit cards. You can transfer membership rewards points at 1 point is equal to Marriott Bonvoy's 1 point. What is Marriott Bonvoy? Well, it's the Marriott loyalty program, and you can start getting free room nights at Marriott's for 5,000 Marriott Bonvoy points itself. So if you have earned, let's say, 15,000 membership reward points in the first year, and you transfer them to Marriott Bonvoy 1:1, you're now going to be able to get anywhere up to 3 free room nights at Marriott hotels across the globe. Mind you, there are over 7,000 Marriott hotels around the world, so you can save it for a cheap staycation, or if you continue to add up your points, you can go into some of these very beautiful hotels as well. For instance, this video is being shot at the St. Regis, Mumbai, and right now I'm paying 30,000 membership reward points transferred into Marriott Bonvoy points for staying here for the night. Then there are all these airline partners that membership rewards has, which sometimes even other cards don't have. Some of the common ones you can transfer your MR points to Vistara or Virgin Atlantic or British Airways or Etihad and so on. These are all points then you can use for free flights later. But then there are some exclusive partners you will only get with membership rewards, one of them being Emirates. So if you want a ticket to Dubai or a ticket to North America or anywhere else, collect your Marriott Bonvoy, your membership rewards points and take them into Emirates, and you'll be able to redeem it for a free ticket. Those are some of the various ways that you can use your membership rewards credit card for a holiday in India, a holiday abroad. And trust me, the value you're going to get when you're going to redeem your points for a hotel stay or an airline ticket is most probably going to be much more than the value you will get at the 25 paise credit with these videos. Other reasons that you should get an Amex membership reward credit cards. If you don't have an Amex so far, I've been a customer of them for over 10 years now. So, I love the fact that the fraud protection and the customer support that American Express offers is next to none. They have some of the best policies out there. They have some of the best agents out there. In fact, a story I love telling everyone is back in 2013, my card got compromised. Not this card, another Amex card that I had. And it was Amex which called me and said, hey, your card's been compromised. I was not the one running after them to reverse the charges and so on. So they were the ones who came to me. They were the ones who did everything by themselves, and hence I love them. The catch with Amex is you can't just live in India with only an Amex. So obviously you will need a Master or a Visa or a RuPay credit card along as well. But Amex only offered in 21 cities. I'm putting out the list around here so you can see what are these 21 cities. As long as you have a serviceable address in these 21 cities, you can use our link and get a nice offer on the Amex, and you can get it free for the first year, and you only have to pay 1,500 rupees as annual card fee after that once you go along. If you're spending 90K, you will anyways get a 50% fee discount, so it comes down to 750. If you are going to be spending 1.5 lakh rupees on this card, you will get the complete fee waiver for the next year. Remember also, again, this is a question I get a lot. this is not a card that Amex created for travel. So there's no lounge access included on this card. This is a card that Amex introduced in India to encourage you people like me and you, to earn membership rewards. And the membership rewards credit card does that very, very well. And this is a card that I will continue to keep in my pocket and spend on every month. I'm hoping you will do this too. If you have any questions about membership rewards, if you have any questions about the Amex MR credit card, please feel free to leave that in the comments. I will try and answer all of these. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Help everyone get an Amex, because that's one of the best cards out there for customer support and earning rewards, which will get you a free holiday at some point of time. Take care and ciao from me for now, but I will see you soon with another credit card video.